Namaste, Khushru Bhatia. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic Safety Monitoring in Clinical Trial. Safety monitoring in clinical trial topic belongs to the Pharmaceutical Regulatory Affairs for the B.Pharm 8th semester. So now we come to the introduction of safety monitoring in clinical trials. Uh, Pharmacovigilance is a process of continuous monitoring and evaluation of all adverse events during drug development process to ensure the safety of participants and continual assessment of the risk and the benefits. The clinical trial process is regulated by the specific regulatory guidelines, example ICH, GCP, US FDA guidelines, etc. Now we come to the stakeholders in clinical trials. The sponsors, regulators, public, private entities, stakeholders, investigators, participants, IRB and IEC's monitors. So next we come to the basic framework for pharmacovigilance during clinical trial. First one is sponsor responsibility in pharmacovigilance. Sponsor responsibility in pharmacovigilance belongs to the use and adopt pharmacovigilance procedures to monitor adverse reaction occurring in clinical trial, modification in protocol due to safety or efficacy concern. For example, dosage change, change in study, inclusion criteria, uh, inclusion criteria, uh, intensification of monitoring and restriction in study population or indication. Changes to the informed consent document relating to safety issues and formulation changes for safety reason. Additional of special reporting requirements. So next point is sponsor responsibility. Uh, Assure communicable to investigator or healthcare professional and plans for new safety trials, ongoing safety in evaluation of investigational medicinal product, and immediate notification of finding from the clinical trial that could adversely affect the health of subject. Preparation of various essential documents with protocol and investigator brochure, case report forms. Reporting of ADRs in clinical trials. Reporting components of pharmacovigilance, recording, managing. Protocol in clinical trial. ICH E6 defines protocol as a document that describes the objective, design, methodology, and statistical consideration and organization of trial. The protocol usually also give the background and rationale for the trial, but these could be provided in other protocol referenced documents. Now, next point is guidance in protocol for pharmacovigilance and safety reporting section. A definition of AE, SAE, and SAR, a definition of the expected and unexpected AE, specification of the safety parameters to be studied, along with methods and timings for recording and analyzing. Guidance in protocol. Guidance in protocol is pharmacovigilance and safety reporting. So contrast address and number of PI and co-PI. So this is the complete session for this. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.